What if the same home layout could create two completely different personalities? A home's personality is shaped by the design elements you choose, from the walls, ceiling details, lighting, furniture, and finishing touches. And when these elements change, the entire feeling of the space can change too. In this video, we'll explore how the same home layout can be designed in two completely different ways. One using clean lines and strong forms, and the other using soft curves and organic shapes. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. The first thing that changes the feeling of the space is the form of the walls. Starting with the first design approach, the home uses clean edges, sharp corners, and defined wall lines. The accent wall and TV wall follow the same direction with straight panels and a built-in console, creating a strong focal point. Now, using the same layout with a softer approach, the walls create a completely different feeling. Instead of sharp corners, this design introduces rounded edges and smoother connections between spaces. The curved accent wall adds an artistic touch, while the TV wall uses softer edges and a curved console that blends naturally with the rest of the interior. But before we move into the furniture and finishing details, there is one important step that makes all these design decisions possible: the floor plan. Because before we choose furniture, finishes, and lighting, we need a layout that works first. But creating that layout from scratch can take hours of repetitive drafting. That's why we created Design Burst Pro, a smarter AutoCAD workflow system that helps you create floor plans faster using ready-to-use layers, annotations, and dynamic blocks. So instead of starting from a blank file, you can focus more on designing and completing projects faster. Design Burst Pro, turning hours of drafting into a smarter workflow. With the wall design in place, the furniture becomes the next element that shapes the character of the room. Continuing with the first design approach, the furniture follows the same clean and balanced direction. The modern sofa creates a structured seating arrangement with clean lines and a simple form, while still providing a comfortable space for everyday activities. Beside it, the accent chair becomes a small focal point in the living area. Its stronger shape supports the design direction while adding another layer of interest to the space. The rectangular dining table and dining chairs continue the same idea. The straight edges create a more organized dining arrangement, making the space feel ready for meals and gatherings. Overall, the estimated total cost for the furniture of this design is around $1,250 to $1,470. Now, changing the same space into a softer approach, the furniture starts to tell a different story. The curved sofa becomes the main feature of the living area. Its rounded form creates a softer and more inviting space for relaxing and spending time together. The rounded coffee table paired with an ottoman also changes the way the space feels and creates a smoother connection between the furniture pieces. The rounded forms make the seating arrangement feel easier to use every day. Moving to the dining area, the rounded dining table continues the same direction. The softer edges create a more casual setting while still keeping an elegant appearance. The dining chairs complete the arrangement by adding curves and softer materials that match the overall feeling of the space. Overall, the estimated total cost for the furniture of this design is around $1,450 to $1,640. After establishing the walls and furniture, the next elements that shape the feeling of the home are the ceiling and lighting. Continuing with the first design approach, the ceiling uses straight recessed details and clean geometric lines from the living area to the kitchen ceiling. The layered ceiling adds another level of depth, while the geometric ceiling light helps highlight the architectural details and important areas of the space. Instead of just providing light, the fixtures also become part of the design. In the dining area, the modern pendant light acts as decorative feature while keeping the structured look of the interior. Overall, the estimated total cost for the ceiling and lighting elements of this design is around $1,320 to $1,890, including the recessed details and lighting fixtures. For the second approach, the ceiling follows a softer direction by using rounded details and smoother transitions. The same idea continues into the kitchen ceiling, where softer forms help maintain the connection between different areas. The lighting also follows this softer approach. The statement ceiling light adds a gentle feature above the space, while the curved floor lamp beside the sofa creates a warmer corner, where you can simply enjoy the atmosphere of the room. Above the dining area, the pendant light adds another artistic detail, following the softer shapes and helping complete the overall direction of the design. Overall, the estimated cost for the ceiling and lighting elements of this design is around $1,490 to $2,105, including the rounded details and lighting fixtures. The final details are what bring everything together and reinforce the direction of each design. For the first design approach, the full-height mirror helps reflect light and open up the space while balancing the stronger lines found throughout the interior. The fireplace adds warmth between the living and dining areas, while following the same clean lines seen in the walls, ceiling, and furniture. The decor pieces around the space add the final layer, using simple shapes and materials that support the stronger character of the design without making it feel too busy. Overall, the estimated cost for the final details of this design is around $1,000 to $1,300. Meanwhile, the softer design continues through the finishing details. The decorative mirror introduces another rounded element, creating a softer connection with the walls and furniture. The curved fireplace becomes another feature that supports the feeling of the space. Its softer form makes the area feel more connected with the rest of the home. The decor pieces complete the atmosphere by adding small details and shapes that make the space feel more personal and comfortable. Overall, the estimated cost for the final details of this design is around $1,150 to $1,800. Looking at both designs, the difference does not come from changing the layout, but from the choices made in every detail, from the walls to the furniture and final touches. One approach uses stronger forms and clearer lines to create a home with a more structured character. The other uses softer shapes and smoother transitions to create a space that feels easier and more inviting to experience. At the end of the day, good design is not only about how a home looks, but how it makes you feel every day. The same layout can create a completely different experience depending on the design choices you make. So, which personality feels more like your dream home? The structured look of straight lines or the softer feeling of curves? Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. If you're a professional or student looking for a faster way to create your floor plans, check out Design Burst Pro, a smarter AutoCAD workflow designed to help you spend less time drafting and more time designing. Click the link below for more information about this digital product. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.